popular ang isa ka objects sa isa ka software development. So, mauna siya OP. So, ang programming paradigm is like blueprint daw to follow to create our projects. So, you can learn functional programming to learn how you can develop programs and solve problems in a different way. So, daghay mga klase mga problems to solve o daghay mga way para masulubad mo ang isa ka problema. So, number 5, the last is look at other people's code. So, nga code is in a programming we have many ways to solve problems. So, dagay mga ways para masolve mo sa problema. Maybe another person solve the problem that you have in an optimal and simple way. So, simple way daw. So, looking at other people's minds is essential to advance as a programmer. So, look at other people's code. So, dire guys is first thing, dapat kabulok ka sa pag-analyze o sa pagbasa nimo ito code and sa gamitan mo logic kung yun na siya mauna and kung makuha mo siya come up nimo na sa imuhang problema and you solve the situation. Solve din mo siya in your own. So mauna siya look at the people's code. So dapat dili ka magsalip sa uban tao kada saligi sa bagay mo kagulay. So summary. So a computer is an electronic device that can perform activities that involve mathematical, logical, and graphical manipulations. So generally, the term is used to describe a collection of devices that function together as a system. So ang isang computer guys is siya sa electronic device na nag-perform mga activities o nagagamit siya mathematical, logical, and graphical manipulation. Kani yung computer guys is i-function siya mga i-describe siya mga collection, mga device para ma-function siya isa ka system. So kanina po ang computer guys, electronic is i-program po siya guys o i-gamitan po siya logical way. So next is laptop. Advancements has resulted in making available almost every sort of portable computers as are matching with needs of every person. So this is an introduction the models of the portable computer, i.e. or laptops. So advanced with kayo basta ni laptops para makapractice ka. Mga portable computers are matching with needs of every person. So next is the last is in a real world programming scenario. Highly biological thinking skills are critical. How can you build stronger logical thinking abilities? So, I asked how you can build stronger logical thinking abilities daw. So, we have complied a few of our top 10 tips to improve your programming logic in languages such as C, C++, Java, Net, Python, JavaScript, Perl, Shell Script, and many more nga languages. So, dagay mga languages karon nga makapilian nimo. So dapat dili nimo kananon siguro ang mga languages. So dapat focus ka sa mga language. So to guys, and thank you sa pag-anhigay sa ako and salamat sa pagpaminaw gunta ng kasabot mo sa akong gipasabot. Thank you guys. Ugmao ni ang programming and the logic. See you sa next video and bye-bye.